Negligence in tort law is when someone fails to act with the level of care that a reasonable person would in a similar situation, and that failure causes harm to another person. To establish negligence, you generally need to prove 4 key elements. First, you need to show that the person accused of negligence owed you a duty of care. This means they had a legal responsibility to act in a way that protects you from harm. Second, you need to prove that they breached that duty of care. This means they didn't act with the level of care a reasonable person would in the same situation. Third, you need to show that their breach of duty caused you harm. This means their actions or failure to act directly led to your injury or loss. And finally, you need to prove that you suffered actual harm or loss as a result. This could be physical injury, property damage, or financial loss. It's important to note that proving negligence can be complex and often requires expert testimony or witness statements. Here are a few landmark cases on negligence. Donoghue v. Stevenson. This is a famous case from the UK where a woman found a snail in her ginger beer bottle. The case established the idea that manufacturers owe a duty of care to consumers. Palsgraf vs. Long Island Railroad. This case from the US is about a railroad accident where a bystander was injured by falling scales. It's important because it helped define the concept of foreseeability in negligence cases. The Wagon Mount case. Another UK case, this one was about a ship that leaked oil, which later caught fire and caused damage. The ruling helped clarify the rules about how to determine the type and amount of damages that can be claimed in negligence cases. Donoghue v. Stevenson is a famous case from the UK that established the idea that manufacturers owe a duty of care to consumers. Here's what happened. Mrs. Donoghue went to a cafe with a friend. Her friend bought her a bottle of ginger beer. When the cafe owner poured the ginger beer over ice cream, the remains of a decomposed snail came out of the bottle. Mrs. Donoghue got very sick as a result. She sued the manufacturer of the ginger beer, Mr. Stevenson. The main question for the court was whether Mr. Stevenson owed Mrs. Donoghue a duty of care, even though she didn't buy the ginger beer herself. Before this case, manufacturers only owed a duty of care to people they had a direct contract with. The court decided that manufacturers do owe a duty of care to consumers, even if there's no direct contract. They said that manufacturers have a responsibility to make sure their products are safe for consumers to use. This case was a big deal because it changed the law about how manufacturers are responsible for their products. In India, there's a famous case called Jaidev Singh vs. State of Haryana. This case was about a college student who died after being hit by a bus owned by the government. The court ruled that the bus driver was negligent and that the government had to pay compensation to the student's family.